Have you ever wondered why your eyes feel tired, dry, or strained at the end of the day, even if you didn't do anything extreme? Maybe you didn't spend that much time on your phone. Maybe you slept well the night before. And maybe you even tried to rest your eyes for a bit during the day. But somehow your vision still feels off, like it's begging for some extra care. Imagine if there was one simple fruit you could eat before going to sleep that actually nourishes your eyes from the inside, restores them overnight, and helps you wake up with fresher, stronger, and healthier eyesight. Sounds too good to be true, right? But it's not. Today, I'm going to tell you about one fruit, yes, just one, that can change your eye health in a way you can actually feel. It doesn't require fancy recipes, it doesn't require supplements, and it doesn't require any complicated routines. Just one fruit before bed. And no, it's not some rare exotic fruit that costs a fortune or something you can only find once a year. This is a fruit that most people ignore, but eye specialists absolutely love. So before you scroll away, stay with me for the next few minutes, because once you know what this fruit does inside your eyes while you sleep, you'll never look at your nighttime routine the same way again. Now let's talk about something important. Your eyes work nonstop all day long. They process thousands of images, adjust to different lights, handle screens, glare, dust, pollution, everything. Just like your muscles get tired after a workout, your eyes get tired too. But unlike your muscles, most people don't give their eyes the recovery they deserve. We think closing them while sleeping is enough, but the truth is your eyes need nutrients, real nourishment. And here's where the magic happens. Nighttime is the best time to give them that nutrition while you sleep. Your eyes repair themselves. They detoxify, they rehydrate, they strengthen the retina, and they improve blood circulation around the optic nerve. That means whatever you eat before bed directly affects how well your eyes recover overnight. And the fruit I'm about to tell you is literally a recovery booster for your vision. So what is this fruit? It's none other than the sweet, bright, and extremely powerful kiwi. Yes, that fuzzy little green fruit you probably walk past at the store without paying much attention to. Let me tell you something. Kiwi is a superhero for your eyes, and most people have no idea how powerful it truly is. In fact, many eye health researchers call kiwi nighttime eye fuel because of what it does inside the retina while you sleep. Now you might be thinking, okay, but what makes kiwi so special? Why kiwi and not apples or bananas or oranges? The answer lies in something your eyes absolutely depend on: antioxidants. But not just any antioxidants. Kiwi is loaded with lutein and zeaxanthin, two incredibly important compounds that act like natural sunglasses for your eyes. They protect your retina from damage, improve the sharpness of your vision, and reduce the strain caused by screens. And get this, kiwi has one of the highest natural concentrations of these eye-protecting nutrients compared to most common fruits. What's even more interesting is that these antioxidants work even better at night, because that's when your body restores the pigments inside your eyes. But that's not all. Kiwi is also packed with vitamin C, and I don't mean a little bit. Kiwi contains more vitamin C than oranges, and your eyes love vitamin C. It keeps the tiny blood vessels in your eyes healthy, prevents them from weakening, and helps slow down age-related vision decline. Eating kiwi at night gives your body exactly what it needs when it needs it the most. Now here's something most people don't know. Your eyes dry out at night. This is completely natural because your blink rate drops dramatically while sleeping. But dry eyes overnight can make your vision look blurry in the morning. Kiwi comes to the rescue again. It contains high levels of vitamin E and phytonutrients that help your eyes retain moisture even while you sleep. That means less dryness, less irritation, and more clarity when you wake up. Let me paint a picture for you so you can really understand what happens. Imagine you're lying in bed. You've turned off the lights. Your eyes are finally resting. And inside, something incredible is happening. The repairs begin. The cells inside your retina start regenerating. The optic nerve gets better blood flow. The pigments that protect your vision start rebuilding. And the nutrients from kiwi, the lutein, the zeaxanthin, the vitamin C, begin circulating through the eye, acting like a repair kit that fixes the damage caused throughout the day. And when you wake up, your eyes feel fresher, less strained, and more focused. Now let's talk about sleep. Because this part is fascinating. Kiwi is one of the few fruits proven to improve sleep quality. Why does this matter for your eyes? Simple, your eyes heal the most when you enter deep sleep. If your sleep is light or disturbed, the repair process gets interrupted. Kiwi contains natural serotonin and antioxidants that help relax your nervous system and improve your sleep cycle. So not only is it feeding your eyes nutrients, it's also helping you fall asleep faster and sleep deeper, which means more time for your eyes to repair themselves. That's a double benefit from one small fruit. And here's the best part. You don't need to eat a whole bowl. You don't need a complicated smoothie. All you need is one kiwi before going to bed. One. That's it. Just cut it in half and scoop it out with a spoon or peel it and take slow, small bites. That one kiwi is enough to give your eyes a boost of antioxidants, moisture, support, blood vessel protection, and overnight repair fuel. Now, I know some of you might be wondering, can I eat it at any time of the day? Why does it have to be at night? Great question. During the day, your eyes are busy working. They're processing everything around you. But at night, the eyes shift into repair mode. Whatever nutrients you provide right before sleep are used far more efficiently. Think of it like charging your phone when it's turned off. The battery charges better. Same with your eyes. They absorb and use kiwi's nutrients better during sleep. This timing makes a massive difference. You might be wondering what exactly you'll notice if you start eating kiwi before bed regularly. Most people report the same improvements. First, they wake up with less dryness and irritation. The eyes feel fresher, less stuck together, and more comfortable. Second, there's noticeably less strain when looking at screens in the morning. The eyes feel awake instead of fatigued. Third, colors start to appear sharper and clearer. That's because lutein and zeaxanthin actually enhance the eye's pigment density. And over time, people notice fewer headaches from screen exposure, less blurry vision at night, and better overall visual comfort. But remember, kiwi is not a magic pill. It's a natural support for long-term eye health. The more consistently you eat it, especially before sleep, the more benefits you'll feel. It's like giving your eyes a tiny spa session every night. Now let me share something interesting. A lot of people buy supplements for eye health, pills, capsules, expensive formulas. But here's the truth. Kiwi gives you almost everything those supplements promise, without the chemicals, without the artificial ingredients, and without the price tag. Your body actually absorbs nutrients from real food better than from tablets. Kiwi gives your eyes natural nourishment delivered in the purest form possible. There's another benefit people don't talk about enough. Kiwi improves blood circulation. And better circulation means better oxygen supply to the eyes. When your eyes get more oxygen, it reduces the chances of developing early cataracts and slows down macular degeneration, two of the biggest causes of vision decline. Eating kiwi before bed supports that nighttime oxygenation process. Plus, kiwi is low in calories, high in fiber, and great for digestion. You won't feel heavy, bloated, or uncomfortable before sleep. In fact, kiwi helps digestion so well that many experts recommend it to those who experience nighttime indigestion. Good digestion equals better sleep. Better sleep equals better eye recovery. Everything is connected. Let me share something many people experience but don't talk about. That burning sensation in the eyes at night. When your eyes feel hot, irritated, or watery, it's actually a sign of oxidative stress. Your eyes are telling you they're inflamed. Kiwi has strong anti-inflammatory compounds that calm this irritation. Eating one kiwi before sleep reduces overnight inflammation. So you wake up without that burning or gritty feeling. Now imagine this. You're lying in bed after a long day. You've had screen time, bright lights, maybe dust or pollution exposure. You eat one kiwi slowly, letting your body absorb these nutrients. You drift into a deep sleep. Meanwhile, your eyes are quietly healing, restoring, repairing, and you don't even feel it happening. All you notice is that the next day, your eyes feel better than usual. And slowly, day by day, night by night, the improvement becomes more and more noticeable. Now, the big question, how long will it take to see results? Honestly, it varies. Some people feel a difference in just one night. Some people take a week. Some take a month. But almost everyone who eats kiwi before bed consistently notices fewer symptoms of eye strain, better morning clarity, and improved comfort. And remember, you're not just feeding your eyes, you're also boosting your immune system, improving your skin, supporting digestion, and enhancing sleep quality. It's a full body win. If you want to take it to the next level, you can pair Kiwi with a glass of water 20 minutes before sleep. This helps your body circulate nutrients even better. And don't worry, Kiwi is gentle on the stomach. It won't disturb your sleep or cause discomfort. One thing I want to make very clear, if you're someone who spends long hours on mobile phones, laptops, or tablets, Kiwi is not optional. It's essential. Screens damage the retina through something called blue light stress. And kiwi is one of the best natural foods to repair that stress overnight. This is especially powerful for teenagers, students, office workers, content creators, and anyone who uses screens late at night. Another point people often ask, is one kiwi enough? Yes. One kiwi already gives your eyes the perfect amount of nutrients needed for overnight repair. But if you really enjoy the taste, or want even faster results, eating 2 kiwis is completely safe. Just avoid eating them on a very full stomach, because it may slow absorption. And since you're probably wondering, can you replace kiwi with kiwi juice? The answer is no. The juice removes fiber, reduces antioxidants, and spikes sugar levels. You need the whole fruit. The fiber helps your body digest the nutrients slowly and steadily throughout the night. By now, you're probably realizing something. This tiny fruit is incredibly underrated. Everyone talks about carrots, spinach, almonds, and other eye-healthy foods during the day. But almost no one talks about what you should eat at night, when your eyes are actually doing their deepest healing. Kiwi fills that gap perfectly. Now let me leave you with this. Your eyes are one of the greatest gifts you have. You use them every single day without thinking about it. But like any part of your body, they need care. They need rest. They need nourishment. And the sooner you start taking care of them, the longer they will take care of you. 1 kiwi before sleep might feel like a small habit, but small habits build strong foundations. And strong foundations protect you for life. So tonight, when you're about to sleep, grab 1 kiwi, cut it open, enjoy its sweetness. Let it be your nighttime ritual, a simple act of self-care for your eyes. Give your vision the love it deserves. And tomorrow morning, notice the difference. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe, because I share natural, science-based tips to keep your body healthy, strong, and full of energy. And let me know in the comments, are you going to try eating kiwi tonight before bed? I'd love to hear your experience.